Hello, this is the demo for the fingerprint reader. This is the fingerprint, now it's working. Okay, now we're going to reboot the sketch, and now what happens? Well, this is the bootloader, and the first thing this is gonna do is to connect to my Wi-Fi. This message is shown after the connection. This is the reason because the network time protocol packet is asked before the IP address appears and shows, and now is looking for a packet and waiting. It used the UDP protocol, so most of times packets are lost, and that's the reason of the plenty of tries. And then he tries to look for the fingerprint reader because the reader has a password and it has to match one on the code. Then he will count the number of fingerprints stored on the reader, and once the time is received, he will update his own clock. This is the network, and now he will use the Zeller congruence algorithm to know if there's the summer schedule, and in that case change the hour. Then he will update the public address on no IP, shown here. This is my public address, and then he will show the address, this one, and he will store on an internal string, and then he will update the DDNS service. Now the reader is ready to work. For example, if I put the finger, okay, sometimes when it's connected to the laptop, the ground are not a common one, and it should be disconnected. I will do this try on the end of the video, because it's supposed the reader not to work connected to a computer. Now it's only for debug purposes. Here I use Postman to do the test. Commands are written on JSON style. So for example, well, first we can enroll a fingerprint. For example, we're going to do that. And now, sometimes communication is a bit slow. Now we're waiting. And sometimes the connection is lost. I don't know why. Okay. Try it again. Well, it's not the best thing. A ver, wait. My laptop wasn't connected to the Wi-Fi. Now it will work. For example, the open door command. Wait. What's going on? Well, now, here it's the command. Those are some debugging messages, and this is the answer. Okay, now network it's working fine. You only have to connect for it to work. This is the enroll command, and now I did. Well, this is the driving, and now he's waiting for a finger to enroll. We want to try with this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, the new template, it is the number 8. So, for example, if I want to deny, now it's allowed, every fingerprint is allowed by default. I should do this. Well, this is denied number 8, and now if I try to put my finger here again, wait, I have my both hands. Well, I have to disconnect the USB cable for this to work properly, and now okay, the same fingerprint is stored twice, so I'm going to deny the number 3. Now it's denied, and let's try again. It's blocked. Name of the template and the state of the memory position, because it uses the EEPROM memory to allow permanent changes on the configuration. Now we're going to allow this fingerprint again. This is the open command, deny, allow. Okay, number 3. Well, now this finger is stored twice, so sometimes it recognizes the first template and all the times it recognizes the second one. This is a situation not supposed to happen never, but it's not any problem because it works anyway, sometimes with one and sometimes with the other one. I suppose it will choose the more confident one, but those details are not told by the designer. Okay. Well, this is everything. I hope you enjoy this project. I did it. I like it. By now, there is no security mechanics to identify who is sending these commands, because it's only text. There are no authentication. I wanted to use RSA, but I didn't do it by now because keys are very long for this memory to manage secure enough keys. For example, 2048 bit length password. It's long enough. It's too long for this processor. It only can manage 1024 bits for the libraries I found. So by now there is no security implementation. It will be on the future, and I didn't use the login options because I thought it would be more powerful to use the DDNS, the NTP, and the teller congruence algorithm for me to be able to connect with some commands. For example, I thought to use an MD5 to be ensured that the user is using the same password. For example, you could add a password here and there could be another hard-coded on the firmware, and you could compare if you added the same password, hashing the strings or something like this, and I need this to be the time to be synchronized, and I can test now the DDNS because I have no ports on this connection, and it only will work on a LAN. So in the future, if I have my own router, I could try this. Okay, now this is everything. Hope you enjoy. Thanks and best regards. Bye.